today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Notion, so you can confidently navigate the digital workspace without the fear of making irreversible mistakes. Notion, as you might know, is an incredibly versatile tool. However, that also means there's potential for errors, especially when you're experimenting with different features. Luckily, Notion offers several ways to undo your actions, ensuring that your workflow remains smooth and stress-free. Let's dive into the most straightforward method, the trusty keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows, simply press Ctrl+Z. For Mac users, it's Command-Z. This handy shortcut works for most actions within Notion, helping you quickly revert your last change without disrupting your workflow. It's particularly useful if you've accidentally deleted text or moved a block you didn't intend to. By getting comfortable with using Ctrl+Z or Command-Z, you'll be able to quickly recover from small slip-ups. Now, there may be times when you're working on a collaborative project or a large document, and you notice something was changed in the past that needs to be reverted. To manage these kinds of situations, Notion offers its own version history. To access it, simply click on the Updates button located at the top right corner of your page. Here, Notion keeps a record of all changes made to your document or page, allowing you to see what's been altered over time. This can be incredibly useful if multiple people are editing the document or if you just need to track a specific change. From the Updates history, you can scroll through previous versions of your page, restore any version you want, and keep the work you've done intact. Another essential feature for undoing actions is the Page History function, which tracks changes over time and even lets you restore previous versions if you need to. For those with the Notion Premium version, this can be a game changer. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your page, then select Page History. This allows you to see timestamps and revert to an earlier version if necessary, perfect for peace of mind during extensive edits. While navigating through different versions and updates, remember that the history in Notion is retained for quite some time. Still, it's best to make those important reverts sooner rather than later, ensuring that your workflow remains efficient. Additionally, always keep your pages correctly titled and organized, as this will make it much easier to locate specific versions within your larger projects. And there you have it, a comprehensive rundown on how to undo actions in Notion, ensuring your work remains safe and sound. Mastering these tips will surely enhance your Notion experience, reducing stress and increasing productivity. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.